smell weed in the air when I know I got the vibe right. Let the smoke hit your lungs and I know I got your mind right. Look at it while I'm in it like it's mine right. Ask her what would you do for this Klondike? Make it look easy. I remember they said they wouldn't leave me, but you look at them now, doing me greasy. I remember I was down, ain't there like Stevie. I remember when we used to hit kickbacks. Nowadays, yeah, the shawty got kickbacks. If you hit your leg, you better flip that. Just make the most of it, he tryna get back. Niggas act dumb, I don't get that. Nah, it couldn't be me. Like if you ain't you end up on TV. Might be me with me, if you jump, we gon' squeeze. We gon' squeeze, we pull up on niggas, we come for that money, won't fumble that. All them haters get clean, they talking about Choxen, ain't talking, he talking that mumble rap. Niggas ain't real, I can't fuck with that. Think I'm a sucker, respect you get none of that. He won't smoke, I'm a hitter, that son nigga saucy, he won't get his homing back. Hey, no you can't blame me for none of that. How could you, when they be choosing, do something stupid? Just make a move, little nigga, that's when I know you gonna lose it. Talking your life, it's a whole cruelty full of demons, go ahead, foolish.